Hello students, I hope you all are doing very good and studying very hard at your home. So this is Khushbu, your physics teacher, and today we are going to start new chapter, that is chapter number 15, some natural phenomena. As the name suggests, some natural phenomena. So we are actually talking about some naturally happened thing around us and that are keenly observed by the scientist. That how does it happen? Why does it happen? Okay, and there are lots of natural things that surrounds you. Even you could be your own scientist. Okay, observe carefully what is going to happen around you and why does it happen. Okay, so here in detail we are going to discuss two main things, that are lightning and the earthquake. Okay, these are the two basic things that we see in and around everywhere, like not earthquake everywhere. Actually, we see earthquake randomly, like in a few decades. So we should know why earthquake happens. Okay, and lightning, this is very common for all of us, that in a rainy season, during rain we always see lightning. So how does lightning happen? Okay, so we are going to discuss these two natural phenomena that happens, and in this chapter we see this in details. So first thing first, we will see lightning, but before that we need to see what is charge. Okay, for understanding the lightning, you should know what is charge. So charge is nothing but the fundamental property of an atom. It's the basic property that holding an atom to be an atom. Okay, like suppose you cannot see gravity, but gravity holds all of us towards the earth. Yes, this is true. Likewise, in an atom, there is some kind of force, or we can say energy, that present, and it's holding all the subatomic particle inside it. Okay, and we know that it also helps us in the amount of electricity. Conduction of electricity can be controlled by the charged particle only, and there are two types of charges. One is positive and another one is negative charge particle. So let me discuss this positive and negative charge particle with you people. You know that atom is having electrons and protons. Okay, so these electrons can be considered as the negative ions or charged particles, and these protons can be considered as the positive charged particles. Okay, so here one more thing present in an atom, that is neutrons. Okay, so neutrons are not having any charge, so this can be called as neutral. Okay, fine. So see, let's suppose if a particle is here, like not a particle, like a atom. Okay, if it is having like electrons, this 3 electrons, and another atom, if it is having 5 electrons. So who can conduct more electricity? Yes, whichever particle is having more charged particles, then the electricity conduction would be probably be more compared to the previous one. Fine. Okay. Now let me tell you one more thing, that the positive and negative thing that present inside an atom are equal in number. They both are equal. Okay. The number of protons and the number of electrons present in any atom will be equal. If -5, that is minus electrons, 5 electrons are here, then 5 protons will also be there. Okay, so together they will give you 0. -5 plus 5 is 0. So we can say that on an atom there is a neutral charge. There is no charge on an atom. And the main reason for the conduction of electricity will be electron only, because electrons are having such a capability that they can leave their atomic shells. Okay, and become free electrons, so that they can move around the electron, around the atom, or anywhere in the matter. So we can say that they are responsible for the conduction of electricity. not proton, because protons are tightly bound inside the nucleus of an atom and they cannot leave it at all. But why we say that there is a positive ion then? Okay, if electron is leaving the atomic shell, then there would be a deficiency of the electron. So deficiency of negativity would leads us to the positive atom. Okay, so the positive atom now become as a positive ion, or we can say positive charge particle. That is why we can call it as a positive charge particle is moving. And if we are talking about the negative charge particle is moving, then we are actually talking about the electrons only.